All right, what is going on, guys? Another market review today, Wednesday, June 5th. All right, it is non-farm payroll week. And as you can see already, NASDAQ daily chart had a pretty nice buy day. All right, in the Discord, I shared the weekly forecast earlier this week, over the weekend, and we were looking for new all-time highs to be ran out as long as we stayed above consequent encroachment of this wick. Beautiful delivery this week so far. So let's go over the price action that happened in the AM session, lunch, and the PM session. All right, so our draw on liquidity today was this all-time high. Let's drop down to hourly chart. All right, not much going on here. Pretty one-directional. We talked about mean threshold of this down close candle a couple of videos ago. Order block here, volume imbalance, trading into it there. Pretty one-directional. All right, 15-minute chart. Here's your AM silver bullet here and your PM silver bullet. All right, 10 to 11, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock Eastern time, New York local time. All right, we had high impact news at 10 a.m. That's this candle here. We open, trade down into the bullish order block, and it was immediately off to the races. All right, we also swept sell side. We'll look at that on the lower time frame, but trading into the bullish order block here. We rally, lunch, bullish order block, trading into it there, coupled with a fair value gap, tagging new all-time highs, and as you can see, currently still pressing into that some more. 5-minute chart. All right, we have this fair value gap. This is our 10 o'clock news here. We have the fair value gap and a discount from this low to this high, or rather this low to this high here, since we made a higher high. 10 o'clock news comes out, we drop down, take out the sell side, trading into these last two down close candles, which is a bullish order block, fair value gap, trading into it there. We rally, this first fair value gap here, breakaway gap. We are not expecting this to fill in. We prefer to see this entire fair value gap stay open. All right, we have a fair value gap here and a fair value gap here. These two are what you should be monitoring if you're looking for a setup, expecting this to stay open. All right, so for traders out there who trade optimal trade entry, or you run your fib and you're looking at your premium and discount levels from this low to this high and you're waiting for price to come back down to a discount, it's not coming back down to a discount when your narrative is bullish. We've already swept sell side and we have this large breakaway gap here. Okay, so do not expect a retracement, 62 to 79% retracement in scenarios like this. Breakaway gap, fair value gap here, and a fair value gap up here. You want to try to get your entry in this region here, expecting this to stay open. We rally, fair value gap, boom, one more time during lunch, rally again, down close candle before this rally higher, bullish order block, perfectly to the tick there, tagging the buy side. PM session consolidating near that all-time high and then continuing to make newer all-time highs. 1 minute chart here, get a little bit more detailed. So here's that sell side I was talking about ahead of our 10 o'clock news driver. We get this long wick here at 10 o'clock snapping down. Traders, and I saw a few live streams after the session ended, but a lot of traders were going long prior to that high impact 10 o'clock news driver. In my opinion, that's not smart. I do not advise doing that. It's much more reliable, much more reasonable to just wait for your news driver to hit and then hunt for a setup after. But a lot of traders were looking to go long here, buying this fair value gap or whatever they saw down here. 10 o'clock, immediately take all of them out the market, sweeping the sell side. Now this long wick here, you want to take consequent encroachment of that and draw it through. Okay, we consolidate for a little bit. This candle here, that candle's low. This candle's low is the exact low of consequent encroachment of this long wick we created at 10 o'clock. All right, that low stays in place, is not taken out. We begin to rally. All of this occurring during that macro, the run on sell side, consequent encroachment, time distortion, okay, 950 to 1010, make a note of that. We rally, doesn't really give you an opportunity to get in. Don't chase it, just let it do what it wants to do. We consolidate as we head into 11 o'clock. What do we know about that 11 o'clock hour? 10:50 to 11:10. All right, you want to start scaling out of your position. All right, start taking some contracts off if you caught this long and expect a retracement, reversal, or if you're still bullish like we were, okay, we had objectives that still needed to be met up here, that all-time high on the daily chart. If we're still bullish and you're entering that 10:50 to 11:10 macro, expect a run on sell stops, okay? Expect some sort of manipulation on sell side before continuation. And I did post a trade execution, okay, a demo trade where I traded this here because as we're approaching that 10:50 to 11:10 window, look how many times we ran out sell side. This low, taken out. This low, taken out. This low here, taken out with that candle right here. This low, drop down, taken out again. All right, we come back down, fail to take out this low after already sweeping sell side 4 or 5 times, trading into this fair value gap. All right, I went long in here, taking it up using standard deviations as targets. You can watch that video on your own. We rally, fair value gap here, rally, consolidate as we head into lunch. All right, here's your lunch hour, 12 to 1:30 p.m. New York local time. Buy side up here, okay? That's that all-time high on the daily chart. If we're expecting higher prices and we're in that lunch hour, I cannot stress this enough. What do we expect to see? Some sort of manipulation, some sort of run on sell stops. They're not going to let traders just continue to trail their stop losses here, then here, then here, then here, then here, and then have them hold out for this final target. Notice how we rally, just fall short of that all-time high. We're in that lunch hour. Expect some sort of manipulation, run on sell stops. Sharp drop down. All the traders here who made money going into lunch, they trailed their stop losses right underneath this low. We drop down. They're taken out of the market. We also clear this low here. At this point, they're scared to re-enter. All right? They don't want to get back in the move. I don't have it outlined, but we get some displacement. Fair value gap here. Trading into it, overshooting the fair value gap just a little bit, that's fine. We don't take out this low. We rally, and it's only after we clear the sell side, take out traders who trail their stop losses up. After we do that, then we see that buy side tagged on the daily chart. We head into the PM session, consolidate, consolidate. All right, honestly, in my opinion, you shouldn't be trading this. We just tagged a major level on the daily chart. Once you see that level hit here, your laptop should be closed, journal it, okay, observe it. We consolidate for the majority of the PM session. And as you can see, continuing still to push higher. But that's pretty much it for today's market review. Not too much going on, pretty one directional. All right, price action wasn't the cleanest, admittedly, in the first half of the morning session. And then if you didn't catch this move going higher, you probably tried to chase this and can never get a seat on the train. So happens to the best of us. Great day to journal. Bias panning out beautifully on the daily chart. So that's all we got. Tomorrow is Thursday of NFP week, so I will not be trading Thursday. For those in the Discord, it will be a free stream, so everybody's welcome to tune in tomorrow, Thursday. We're going to do a tape reading and just look at price, so that should be fun. But paid members in the Discord, all right, subscribers, we will be back pushing buttons on Friday, 9:30, once NFP and all that done its damage. So if you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment down below or message me in the Discord. I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as I can. But I'll see you guys in the live streams tomorrow morning at 9:30. All right, peace.